Welcome back to Claudie Cooks with another Portuguese dish. Today we will be cooking bacalhau in a spicy chorizo and tomato sauce with a few veg in it. So if you want to see how we roll in today, let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! We start off by pouring some olive oil into a heated pan. We're cooking continental here, so we use quite a bit of olive oil because it's good for you. Right, to that pan, we'll be adding some roughly chopped onions because it's gonna go in the oven to cook. So I'm leaving them a bit chunky, as well as I'm leaving the garlic because that's how we roll over here. Right, we're just gonna let those onions fry for about 3 minutes before adding the rest of the vegetables and the sausage that I've got on the board here. All right, so I'll be back in 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna add spicy sausages here. And to that, we're gonna add some potatoes. Yeah, few potatoes. They were in the fridge, and we will be returning home soon anyway. So I'm using up what we have. And to that, I'm throwing some courgette and a little piece of bell pepper.
You missed it. You missed the piece. Don't let the piece go lonely now.
Honestly. Right, okay. What we're gonna do now, we're just gonna leave that. Right, I'm gonna put a lid on and I'm going to leave it there for 5 minutes and then we come back. Okay? 5 minutes later. So good. Peri Peri hot sauce because we like it hot over here. And to that, I'm gonna squeeze this. So what I'm gonna do now I'm going to let that simmer now for about 8 to 10 minutes before I pop it in the oven with the fish. Okay, this is 10 minutes. Okay. Right, so I'm gonna lip this off. I'm gonna pour it to this. I've poured some olive oil over the fish. Now I'm gonna put a bit of salt. Black pepper. Now I'm gonna put fish skin side up. I'm going to put that into a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade. I'm going to cook that for 20 minutes. Okay, time to make a little side salad to go with the dinner. Right, we're eating it, okay? So I'm handling it with my hands, okay? Right, so slice up some cucumber. It's all been washed. I'm just chunking these. Rustic salad. Oops.
Daisy.
And now for some onions. We're gonna put some black pepper. Yes, we love it. And a little sprinkle of salt. Go easy on the salt. Now for some lemon juice. I decided I want to put some garlic, and because as you know, garlic is good for us. So right now it's time time for the fridge until everything is ready. Look at that.
This looks incredible.
Yeah. Look at that. Simply looking delicious. Gosh, it smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. If you like this dish, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Cheers and enjoy.